Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how much this Toyota Prius original OEM original manufacturing parts, this catalytic converter catalyst cost in new one and then in used one in scrap. Okay, of course, firstly we think that how much this part cost if they are new and we have to purchase like spare parts. These parts cost about $1,000 per piece. It is like 1,000 is this one, this second, and here is the first one, first catalyst I have made in numbers 1 and 2, and this cost also $1,000 in new part. And that means that we have now in Toyota Prius cars 2 catalytic converters, and these cost like total amount in $2,000 or euros in new one. And really, when we can see this Toyota's type and logo and codes, we can see that this is original part and this is really expensive part. And why this is so expensive? Because these parts are made to last 30 years. More than 20. These are best catalysts in world. And these are so expensive. And in scrapyard we can get in these parts like $200 per piece or then $150 piece. And when we have 2 of those, total amount is $400 or then in some places $300. And same amount in euros. And these are really valuable stuff, and it is very bad that some criminals steal and rob these things in Toyota Prius. But these are really fantastic parts. Thank you.